Hey guys, so figured I'd give you a little taste of driving in Vermont in the wintertime. We had a good snowstorm Saturday night into Sunday. Up at the house we got close to probably 8 to 10 inches worth of snow. So today's Monday. It's been 24 hours or so since the snow has stopped, and got some driving for work to do. So I figured I'd give you a little taste of driving in Vermont in the winter for those of you considering moving here or coming on vacation. Good tires are an absolute must. You will get stuck if you don't have good tires. All seasons really don't cut it. You may hear, it may be a little loud. You may hear some road noise, and the reason that is in this car I run winter tires that are studded. I've had phenomenal success running studded tires. I know that the technology has come a long way, and I think the next round will be when I do get winter tires. We'll go for some unstudded ones. Been reading a lot of articles that say the studs are only good in certain conditions, and like after about 1,000 miles that they're kind of worn down to the point where they're really ineffective. I don't know if I believe that. I've never had an issue driving with the studs, so I believe they've helped. But next time I get tires, I think I'll go with a good winter tire that is not studded. once you get off the secondary road, get onto the main roads, they tend to be a little better condition. So that's just a little taste of driving in Vermont. And next time I'm out, when we get a good snowstorm, I'll film that so you can get a taste of driving in a really bad snowstorm. All right, guys, thanks. Welcome back. Now we're on another back road. It's been 3 days since the snowstorm that we got on over Saturday, Sunday, and this is the condition of the road that I'm on right now. One of the reasons is how cold it's been. It is negative 15 right now, and once you get below 15, 20 degrees Fahrenheit, the salt doesn't work. So they don't spread salt. They will spread dirt, sand, gravel on the roads. So you get roads that look like this. Vermont doesn't have a clear roads policy. They have a safe roads policy when it comes to clearing them. They don't get the roads clear, they just make the roads passable or safe. So that truck we just passed had that little tube sticking off the back of it, is a manure truck. Once you get outside of Chittenden County, Burlington, the cities, you will run into those. Vermont being heavily agriculture, that is what they use to haul manure from the manure pits from the cows. They use those spreading them on the fields, and they use those trucking those from pit to pit. Some farmers have massive manure pits or holding tanks where people will, other farms will bring to take some of the pressure off of their tank. And yes, they smell like they sound. It's spring, early spring, midsummer, and then fall when they are spreading. Wow, pungent. So if you want to move to Vermont, be prepared for that. And then, yeah, bringing the girls. I got both girls back there. Bringing them to daycare today. I'm going to be on the road for most of the day. So a good chance for them to get out and spread their legs and be happy dogs. As always, I appreciate your support. I like the comments. Still working on a good outro. I'm not quite sure, but remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that little notification bell, guys. All right, thanks. Bye.